Hi everybody, sorry about that. We're just back talking about the virtue of Christian hope here, and I do apologize for the increase in wind that is happening. I hope that it comes to an end. Just kidding, I don't hope that it comes to an end, because that would be a misrepresentation of the virtue of hope. See? I think you're starting to get it now. In the last video I was just talking about Christian hope and contrasting it with the vice of despair. And we need to define then clearly what is hope, what is Christian hope. And you can define Christian hope really centrally in eternal life, and the promises of Christ. That is to say, what do we Christians hope in? We hope in the promises of Christ. And specifically then, that happens in a desire and also a gift from God of the promises of Christ, which subsist really in eternal life, our salvation, our redemption, and heaven itself. So what does Christ promise us? He doesn't promise us that our life is going to be long or short. He doesn't promise that we're going to be successful. He doesn't promise that in this life things are going to work out for us. He does not promise that we are always going to have a home in this life. He doesn't promise that we're going to be at the top of our class. He doesn't even promise that we're going to pass. I know I shouldn't laugh, but he doesn't promise. I've actually failed a class before. He doesn't promise that we're going to pass our classes, our schooling. He doesn't promise that we are going to that people are going to think highly of us. He doesn't promise that people are going to. You see that fly? He doesn't promise that people are going to listen to us. He doesn't promise that we're going to be at peace our entire life, the way that the world gives peace. And there's a combine coming now. He doesn't promise that any of these things. And so we might be thinking as I walk away from this combine, you know, if we have in our hearts, and we often think in our hearts, you know, well, it's just not going to work out for me, or people are just not going to notice me, or I feel so sad today and hopeless. This is not really an authentic understanding of what hope is. Aren't you guys loving that combine? Oh, I'm going to pause right now.